What's up, everybody? Today we'll be taking a look at Bhut Neyde. This one is ghost pepper or Jolokia crossed with a Pimenta to Neyde, and I may be mispronouncing that. And I have covered this strain before, but alright, let's get into this. Now the pods grow with this deep purple, almost black looking color. And they do have a wrinkled or crinkly kind of look to them. They do get a two-tone as well. And as they ripen in this particular plant, they ripen to more of a peach-like color. And then they can be two-tone as well with the purple overlaying on the peach color. See if I can get any of these pods in here now. Get this one over here. Okay. And yeah. And the heat on these is in between the ghost pepper and habanero, but they are hotter than habanero, but not exactly on the same exact level as a regular ghost or Jolokia. Even though they can get up there pretty good. Now, and I do have another plant of this that with the pods that ripen up to more of a red color. So this strain isn't the most stable strain out there because it throws off, multiple different phenotypes, but it does have a rather nice flavor. And it's rather nice looking plants. The darker leaves. Sometimes they do get the green with a slight purpling to them. It just depends on the plant. So, but I will try to show the other plant of this in another video. But alright, y'all. If you have any questions, comments, please just put it in the section below. Do me a solid, please like, subscribe, and or share. It would be greatly appreciated, and it would be very much helping my channel. Alright, y'all. Alright. See y'all in the next one. Stay tuned, y'all. Peace.